Now you may ask, what steps should we take? So, primary way to avoid this is to use encryption techniques, meaning to have the confidentiality we can adapt encryption techniques to safeguard the data, so that even if cyber attackers gain access to your data, he or she will not be able to decrypt it. Encryption standards include AES, that stands for Advanced Encryption Standard, DES, Data Encryption Standards. It is a vast topic, we may cover in some other video or session. And another way to protect data is through a VPN tunnel. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it helps the data to move securely over the network. So, crisp answer is cybersecurity controls that can be implemented to ensure confidentiality are encryption, access controls and steganography, etc. Extra measures might be taken in case of extremely sensitive documents, and it involves more complex procedures, techniques and tools, etc. So, this is all about the confidentiality